Topping news tonight, health officials are keeping a close eye on a disease that is already sending scores of persons to the local hospital. The hand, foot, and mouth disease reportedly on the rise in Grand Bahama and severely impacting a local primary school. Our Shirley Roll has more details in tonight's top story.
Well, Raven, health officials in Grand Bahama are sounding the alarm as cases of hand, foot, and mouth disease continue to rise, prompting concerns among local residents and health experts. With a surge in reported infections across the island, authorities are urging the public to take preventative measures to curb the spread of the highly contagious illness, particularly among children.
There are various cases, many cases that we've actually found so far.
According to sources, scores of persons have already presented to hospitals. This is a local primary school in the Western District has reported a significant number of students have fallen ill and are out of school as a result of this dreaded disease. So just what does this look like? Hand, foot, and mouth disease typically presents as painful sores inside the mouth, accompanied by a red blister-like rash on the palms of the hands and soles of feet, often with a fever as the initial symptom. The sores in the mouth can appear as small flat ulcers, while the rash may look like small red spots that can develop into blisters with a gray scent. Dr. Charles Virgil, a pediatrician at the Ryan Memorial Hospital, says that the hand, foot, and mouth disease is most prevalent in children around the age of 5.
It spreads from day-to-day contact, and so persons actually being infected, having the bumps on their hands, actually touching another individual, or from a person sneezing or coughing, it can actually be transmitted that way as well.
But he adds that this can have effects on people of all ages. Here's how you can prevent the hand, foot, and mouth disease.
Washing of hands. You could think about it just like the COVID-19 virus. Simple hand washing techniques can actually help prevent that. Also, persons who have coughing or sneezing, by wearing masks. And if you know somebody or yourself are actually infected, you can actually isolate yourself from that individual.
And once contracted, there are remedies to control symptoms.
Ensuring that you or your child or anyone who's affected stays hydrated. 3, you want to ensure that these symptoms are actually well controlled. 1, by giving oatmeal bath. So oatmeal bath, it has antioxidants as well as anti-itching properties that basically help the child or well as yourself feel a bit more comfortable.
Now, Raven, once again, health authorities are urging the public to take preventative measures and remain vigilant, especially with young children. Coming to you live in studio for the Bahamas Tonight, the Northern Edition, I'm Shirley Roll. Back to you at the desk.